Today, I will talk about the health benefits of parsley and carrot greens. An intriguing piece of information about parsley is that ancient Romans used to provide it to their gladiators prior to battles, as they believed it enhanced strength, improved reflexes, and sharpened mental skills like resourcefulness. It was also common for people to chew on parsley seeds during that time. Parsley is low-calorie herb packed with nutrients, especially vitamins K, A, and C. It is rich in powerful antioxidants that may help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of certain diseases. The high vitamin K content in parsley is crucial for maintaining strong bones, as consuming foods rich in these vitamins is associated with a lower risk of fractures and better bone mineral density. Additionally, parsley contains lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which are plant compounds that support eye health and may lower the risk of age-related issues like AMD. Research has indicated that parsley extract possesses antibacterial properties in laboratory studies. It is used as a strong means to facilitate urination and relieve spasms. In folk medicine, it is used for menstrual problems, painful periods, to promote milk secretion in nursing mothers, and a means to ease digestion. It is not recommended for kidney damage and during pregnancy because a larger amount of essential oil can irritate the digestive organs. Carrot greens offer numerous health benefits, including positive effects on immunity, bone density, eye health, circulation, kidney function, blood pressure, and digestion. Known for their detoxifying properties and high vitamin C content, carrot greens are rich in antioxidants that can enhance your immune system, helping to protect against infections and harmful pathogens. Studies have demonstrated that the active compounds in carrot greens can effectively eliminate toxins from the body and improve kidney health. Carrot greens can also be used in mouthwashes or as a topical cream for wound cleaning. Both of these vegetables are effective for treating urinary bladder inflammation due to their diuretic properties, which help flush bacteria from the urinary tract. The most recent bladder infection experience was 14 years ago, and I successfully treated it. I prepared 2 liters of tea from fresh leaves and consumed it over a few days. It was the only thing that really worked for me. For this recipe, you can use either 100 grams of parsley or carrot greens. Now, I'll be using carrot greens. First, separate them from the carrots and rinse them thoroughly with cold water. Since I'm using cold water, I can use a plastic strainer, which I usually avoid for acidic or hot items. Next, bring 2 liters of water to a boil and add the chopped carrot greens. Allow it to steep for at least 15 minutes. It's best to drink this warm, not cold. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.